Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Welcome to our April 2018 giveaway. We have another amazing giveaway this month. So excited about it. It was just so, I don't know, you'll see. Look at this beauty. Isn't that amazing? Okay, so let's see what the lucky winner is going to get. Or do you want to hear the rules? You want to know what you're getting, or you want the rules? Let's see what you're going to get. Get my glasses handy. As usual, we are starting off with a lovely bracelet from Kazuri Beads. You can buy them online in the UK, kazuri.co.uk. You can shop online. You cannot shop online at the one here. I don't know. But you can shop there if you come to visit. How cool is that? So, this is our lovely bracelet of the month. Got my hair on it. Free of charge. There we go. Can you see those colors? Oh, so beautiful. So there's like two greens, like a robin, like more of like a tealy green and a grayish green, a really nice buff blush color, a gorgeous blue, and like a nice taupe. Isn't that delicious? They feel like candies. And I really like it because they're like pearl, well, I guess they're kind of like squished pearls. Like you had a pearl and you went, geek, gave it a little pinch. So I really love that. I hope you do too. And look at the yarn we got to go with it. This will be a bit tricky, but I'm going to do it. So this is, well, let me show you 111. This is Kenyan acrylic. I believe it's concrete. Yeah, concrete color. That goes with this color there, that bead. And our second Kenyan acrylic is called Azure, which goes with that gorgeous blue. So pretty. So there's two balls of the Kenyan acrylic for you to try. And, oh, I can read it today, that's good. Oh, easy. These, oh, let me show you one. This one, love it. Really love it. 50% wool, 50% acrylic. Oh, a thickness of 4, and you can use a 5 or 6 millimeter hook. So same thickness as our Kenyan acrylic. And look how that matches. All the colors. Love that. And also the same kind in the dark to match that taupe. And this yarn is really beautiful. It goes from thick to thin to thick. So you get a really good variation when you crochet or knit. But I really love it. I made a big shawl out of this one. Really pretty. I have to show you one day. So these two, 50% wool, 50% acrylic, 50 gram balls, and the yardage, 90 meters. So excited about that. And then just for some pop and some texture, and because they matched perfectly. These really cool loopy eyelash. They're almost like a ribbon, or I suppose they are a ribbon. They make a really nice texture. They'd be actually really good for scrubbies. Well, it's a bit soft actually for a scrubby, but look at those colors together. So all of that yarn, 6 balls of yarn. Don't know how I'm going to do this again. Doo-doo. Think I can grab it? Okay. Uh-oh. 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 Oh. Can you see those colors? So that is the yarn in the giveaway. So exciting. So many things you could do with it. So if you do win, I need to see what you did with that. That is fabulous, all matching our Kazuri bracelet. Also comes with a little blurb about Kazuri beads and a bigger blurb with the map and the different locations for if you are visiting Nairobi. So all those go in this sweet bag, and that will be in your parcel. Now, working our way down in the bucket, our next treats are Safari Puffs in tomato flavor, pizza flavor, cheese flavor, and chili lemon. These are great. I never know what's in them, but they're junk food, kind of like Cheetos. Let me see what the ingredients are. Corn, vegetable oil, flavoring, and a bit of coloring. They're not as brightly colored or as artificially colored as Cheetos. They're not, you don't get like stained fingers. They're pretty much just a little bit off-white. So 4 of those to try in all the flavors. But other foodie snacks, macadamia and cashew nuts, honey-coated, a bigger bag, 150 grams, mixed together, and these have like a really great honey. It's not like a crust, but kind of it's a crust. I mean, it's not super candy-like, but like it's candy-like, but you don't feel guilty eating them. You're like, oh, but it's a nut. Like it's just sweet enough to have like that addictive eating feeling to it. They're fabulous. I love them. I don't keep them in my house because I will seriously eat them myself. But they can go to your house. They're fabulous. So you're getting a bag of those to try. And in case you're not a honey person, you are also getting the same size bag, 150 grams, macadamia and cashew nuts, dry roasted and salted. And these are all a product of Kenya, which we love. We love supporting our country and people doing good businesses in our good country. So that is for you to try also. Moving on to drinks in a minute. Also a small Axion dish paste with the scrub brush. This is like my favorite dish paste for washing dishes. I'm sure if you've watched any of my other giveaways, you know everybody needs Axion dish paste. You can also get the Mexican version of it on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description box below in case you want to try it before you win the giveaway, if of course you win. So super excited about that. It's really great. It comes in 2 different flavors, lemon or lime. There's a blue one, but I don't think it's the original company. This is the original company. There's a whole bunch of knockoffs, but this is the original and fabulous. So you'll get a trial size of that. So you pretty much take your sponge, get it a bit wet, rub it on the top of the dish paste, rub your sponge over your dishes, rinse your dishes, and you're finished. You don't need a sink full of water. Fabulous. You just rinse them off when you're done. So you'll be getting that. You will be getting a package of 25 of my whip cards. Work in progress cards. Let me get the one that's missing. Ooh. I was writing on it. I wrote on it actually. But you will be getting 25 that I have not written on, that you can write on. So these are whip cards to keep track of your project. You just fill it in and like throw it in your whip bag or your whip basket. Project name, pattern source, hook size, yarn, and notes. And then on the back, they all have a different saying. Those, you're getting 5 of each of those to keep track of your whips. And of course, whatever you're doing with that lovely yarn. Moving on to beverages. Start with my favorite black tea. This is Kenyan tea, hand-picked. It sounds fancy, but all tea is hand-picked here. Pure Kenyan tea, so it's a black tea. It's not bitter. There's 25 tea bags inside with a string and the tag, and then they're just all in one package together. So you just take one out and make your cup of tea. Oh, excuse me. These are the ones, this is the tea that I drink when I'm having my regular tea. I love it. It's actually like really, 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 really fabulous tea. And also tea, in case you're a herbal kind of person, look what I found in the grocery store. Doo-doo-doo. How cool is that? Isn't that amazing? It's a tin with 11 different kinds of tea inside. Now I have not tried this, but I had to buy it and I had to get it for you. Limited edition. How fabulous. So, let me see. Oh, so then on the sides they have a little blurb about it of each one. Oh, that's nice. Health benefits, preparation and instructions. You let it steep for 4 minutes. Nutritional facts, okay. The Kenyan tea story. Oh, let me tell you the flavors first of all. There's lemon, ginger, masala, forest fruit, jasmine, cinnamon, caramel, mint, mango, orange, and Earl Grey. How wonderful. Produce of Kenya. I think it should be product, but it's produced here. Oh, and it even shows where Kenya is in case you want to visit. Love that. Okay, so let me just read this part up here. So Kenya is one of the largest black CTC tea producers in the world. Tea is grown at high altitude along the equator in the rich highlands of Kenya. Volcanic soils, a selection of the best gardens, carefully hand-plucked tea, and efficient processing systems combine to give you a refreshing aroma and taste. No pesticides are applied on Kenyan tea due to the favorable climatic conditions, thus ensuring a healthy cup of tea. Love that. Can't wait. Haven't opened it. It's taped shut. I almost want to buy one for myself, but try to calm down. And then it has another blurb about the actual brand. It's a well-known brand. I've seen it in the stores forever, but I haven't tried it because I'm stuck on my Crochet Gold, but it doesn't come in a cool tin like that. So that is coming at you. I hope you are lucky and get to win it. Also, this beauty, I say it wrong. I say Milo, but apparently it's Milo or something. I'm not sure. It's British, so yes, Amanda, you can tell me how I'm supposed to say it. I have no idea. But my kids tell me I'm saying it wrong. I probably am. Anyway, it's pretty much, it's like a hot chocolate, but it's supposed to be a bit healthier. It's hot chocolate. It's delicious hot chocolate. Maybe it's a smudge like Ovaltine hot chocolate. I don't know. I think it's one of those things where they say sugar gives you energy, so it's an energy. No, it's hot chocolate. But the packaging is like super sporty. And what a cute little tin. Really love that. So you're getting one of those because after answering my questions in the last giveaway, I learned that lots of you guys like hot chocolate. So we have this cute little hot chocolate. This is a 100-gram tin. So cute, like I love that tin. And also I got you the Cadbury drinking chocolate, cocoa and sugar as usual. So this one I think you put it with milk. It's not like a Nesquik. This one you need, like you warm up your milk and you put that in. This is our hot chocolate. Like my kids drink this. It's pretty good. So I will be sending that along. Also, what's the weight on it? I'm trying to see. This is 125 grams. Really cute. The bigger ones come with a spoon inside. I don't think this small one has a spoon inside, but the big ones come with like a cheap purple spoon that's really long handled to get to the bottom. So that is what you're getting for April giveaway. So what do you have to do to enter? Let's get down to the rules. Number 1, you have to subscribe. Number 2, you need to hit the notification bell so that when I post a new video, such as the winning video, because I'll put a video for the winner or whoever wins. So May 1st, I will have a video saying the winner is da 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 da. You need to know that. And you will know that if you hit the notification bell, which is somewhere near the subscribe bar below. Secondly, you need to answer a question. Do you crochet? What is your favorite thing to crochet? Or what do you enjoy crocheting the most? And what would you like to learn how to crochet or be crocheting by the end of this year? So that's it. You have until the end of April to enter the giveaway. Let me just make sure that I got my calendar here with my trusty book cover. I'm sure most of you have seen it. Let me check April. April. I guess I could do it the easy way. So there's 30 days in April, so you have until April 30th to answer the questions in the comment boxes below. To find the comment boxes, scroll down. If you're on a mobile device, scroll all the way down your screen after all these suggested videos. At the very bottom, it'll say comments, and you can put your comment down there. So please do that. You have until April 30th. At midnight, I will put up, I will select the winner on May 1st and do a winning. I'll contact that person in the comments, and I will also put up a video. That person has, how long do you think? Let's check. For May, so the first week of May. So by, you'll have 4 days to get back to me. If you don't get back to me by April 4th, on April 5th, I will select a new winner. So that is super exciting. So you'll have 4 days. If you do click the notification bell, obviously you will know that that the video is up announcing the winner. I'll also reply to your comment in the comment box below. So I'll put all those details also in the description box below. So if I talk too fast or like, don't panic, it's all just down below. Just click the little thing to expand the section underneath this video, and that's where I will put all of the details. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you to everybody who has made this YouTube channel such a community. It means the world to me, and I really enjoy spending time with you. It's so great, and thank you so much. So thanks for watching. Good luck, and stay hooked.